India is now officially the fourth largest economy in the world, overtaking Japan. Let's hear it from the man himself, CEO of Niti Aayog, Subramanian.
We are the fourth largest economy as I speak. We are a $4 trillion economy as I speak. And this is not my data, this is IMF data. India today is larger than Japan. So it's only the United States, China and Germany which are larger.
India's GDP is now projected to hit $4.28 trillion by 2025-26, pushing ahead of Japan, whose economy is slowing at around $4.18 trillion. And this isn't the finish line. If India keeps growing at this current pace, then we are on track to even overtake Germany in the next 2.5 to 3 years, becoming the third largest economy in the world. According to the IMF, India's GDP is set to grow at 6.2% in 2025 and 6.3% in 2026. That's way above global average. It means there are more jobs, more investment, better infrastructure, stronger rupee. It means more industries in place, more startups, more global opportunities. Growth at this level can really improve everyday life. But also a flip side, and it does matter. Even with this economic rise, many Indians are still hunting for a job. Why? Because the growth isn't equal everywhere. Tech and services are booming fast, yet sectors like manufacturing, construction and farming haven't really kept up pace. The jobs want people, but there aren't enough skillful people. The ones who really exactly fit into the job profile are fewer. While India is growing, private companies haven't really invested enough also into job-heavy industries. Tech is certainly one evil. In a way, it's also been a boon, but also a bane for many job seekers. If you are, in fact, wondering how we've achieved these numbers so fast, let me tell you. Because currently, those with spending capacity are spending a lot more. Businesses are growing, exports are rising, government-backed big reforms are taking off. While other big economies had slowed down, India stayed on track and on the move. And our post-COVID recovery was brilliant. So at this point, those who feel dejected, wanting to ask, what's in this for me? Know this very clearly. Every big leap starts small. Steady steps on the ground. Numbers may seem distant for now, but they do create space for change, for more jobs in the future, more opportunities, more room for your hustle. You may not feel it yet, but you're part of it, and this rise is equally